Hello friends, I am Chetan Singadia from Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. You are watching the video lecture series for the subject of Cloud Infrastructure and Services. Today we are going to see what is Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, that is EC2. Now let us understand what is Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. Amazon EC2 is a web service interface that provides resizable compute capacity in the AWS cloud. It is designed for developers to have complete control over web scaling and computing resources. Also, EC2 instances can be resized and the number of instances scaled up or down as per our requirement. These instances can be launched in one or more geographical locations or regions and availability zones. Each region comprises of several availability zones at distinct locations connected by low latency networks in the same region. As we are discussing Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, here you can see in this picture, you can see EC2 dashboard. There are some images and instances like instances, AMI and bundle task. So if you want to start with Amazon EC2 console, you have to launch instances first for the use of Elastic Compute Cloud. Now let us see what are the components of EC2, that is Elastic Compute Cloud. In AWS EC2, the users must be aware about the EC2 components and their operating system support, security measures, pricing structures, etc. There are specific components of EC2 are given here. For example, operating system support, security, pricing, fault tolerance and migration component. Now let us understand each components one by one. First one is operating system support. Amazon EC2 supports multiple operating system in which we need to pay additional licensing fees like Red Hat Enterprise, SUSE Enterprise, Oracle Enterprise Linux and so on. This operating system needs to be implemented in conjunction with Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, that is nothing but VPC. So friends, this is what operating system support component of EC2. Next component is security component. User have control over the visibility of their AWS account. In AWS EC2, the security system allows create groups and place running instances into it as per the requirement. You can also specify the groups with which other groups may communicate as well as the groups with which IP subnets on the internet may talk. This is what security component of EC2. Now let us look at pricing component. AWS offers variety of pricing options depending upon the type of resources, type of applications and the database. It also allows the user to configure the resources and compute the charges accordingly. So this is what pricing component. Now let us understand what is fault tolerance component. Amazon EC2 allows user to access its resources to design fault tolerance applications. It also comprises geographic locations or regions and isolated locations known as availability zones for fault tolerance and stability. It does not share the exact location of regional data centers for security reasons. Another aspect of fault tolerance is when the user launch an instance, they must select an AMI that's in the same region where the instance will run. Instances are distributed across multiple availability zones to provide continuous services in failure, and elastic IPs, that is nothing but EIPs, addresses are used to quickly map failed instances addresses to concurrent running instances in other zones to avoid delay in the services. So friends, this is what the fault tolerance component of EC2. Next one is migration. This service allows the user to move existing applications into EC2. It costs $80 per storage device and $2.49 per hour for data loading. Also, this service suits for those users having large amount of data to move. So, this is what migration component of EC2. Now let us look at some of the features of Elastic Compute Cloud, or we can say features of EC2. First one is reliable. Amazon EC2 offers highly reliable environment where replacement of instances is rapidly possible. Service level agreement commitment is 99.9% availability for each Amazon EC2 region. Next feature is designed for Amazon Web Services. Amazon EC2 works fine with Amazon services like Amazon S3, Amazon RDS, Amazon DynamoDB, and Amazon SQS. It provides a complete solution for computing, query processing, and storage across a wide range of applications. Let us look at the secure feature. Amazon EC2 works in Amazon Virtual Private Cloud to provide a secure and robust network to resources. So friends, this is what secure feature of EC2. Now let us look at what is flexible tools. Amazon EC2 provides the tools for developers and system administrator to build failure applications and isolate themselves from common failure situations. This is how we can use flexible tools for EC2. Another feature is inexpensive. Amazon EC2 wants us to pay only for the resources that we are using it. It includes multiple purchase plans such as on-demand instances, reserved instances, spot instances, etc., which we can choose as per our requirement. So this is what inexpensive feature of EC2. So friends, this is what Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, which is nothing but EC2. I hope you will get understand what is features of EC2 and components of EC2 and what is exactly the concept behind Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. Thank you.